Here's a script based on the blog content. Welcome back to our show where we explore incredible church stage designs around the country. Today's submission comes from Charles Garwood at Lafayette Community Church in Indiana, the city with a rich history nestled along Wabash River in north-central part of America. This design resembles Christmas vibes perfectly, which might be confounding you, but trust us, when it started raining, tradition took over here. The idea behind the setup is quite interesting, as Charles got inspired by another church named Milestone located in an entirely different land called Texas, and then scaled down his vision according to their room size, making sure not to compromise its grandeur. Now let's dive into what makes these triangles so special. They were made on foam board bought for just $1 each from Dollar Tree stores nearby. These boards are cut out into numerous triangular folds that create the base structure we see today. But there's more. A template created by none other than Charles's wife helped them achieve precision cuts, which they carefully handcrafted themselves using white masking tape, holding everything together beautifully. Each triangle has something unique inside it too. You guessed right. Edison bulbs hanging freely within, giving off an ethereal glow when lit up at night, creating this magical ambience during Christmas celebrations here in Lafayette Community Church. But wait, how do they manage to light up all these triangles? Well, Chavik color palettes come into play, as they can be directed towards each diamond-shaped design, allowing for color washes or turning them completely dark if needed, depending on the desired mood. And let's not forget those standard clamp-on work lights from Lowe's with regular incandescent bulbs placed strategically below, adding warmth and coziness underfoot. Here's a crucial piece of information. Every single component, including diamonds, strands of Christmas lights, blinder, is controlled by its own dimmer channel, giving Charles complete control over lighting effects during services, making it truly immersive experience for everyone attending church here in Lafayette Community Church. Now you might wonder how much this entire setup cost to build? Well, according to Charles himself, he managed to keep costs remarkably low at less than $30 per diamond, which isn't bad considering they already had all the necessary materials lying around thanks to previous designs. All details about this incredible stage design are available down in our video description below, so be sure to check that out if you want more insights into what makes these triangles shine like stars on a clear night sky. Thanks for watching Church Stage Creations. If this was helpful or inspiring, please comment, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the design details and how to submit your own stage creations in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Keep creating inspiring spaces.